Everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is gonna be a sad video today. The new owner is coming, pick up the car, and that's it. We're gonna do one more cold start with the Corvette before it goes. Got it all cleaned up. Just ready to go. I might do a light vacuum in here to see if there's anything. I don't think it needs anything, but yeah, just a little bit here in the seat. I don't know, in the carpet. It's not bad. I just might do a light vacuum on it. Let's call it a day. Well, wish I had more time. Wish I could enjoy this car more. Just wasn't a good time at the moment. I think just having a 1-year-old and trying to find time to do this content, have time to drive the car, it was complicated. So I may go back to it. You know, like I said, I may jump into Z06 next time, or if not, something a little more exotic. We'll see. Depends on how well the channel's doing. So if you like and subscribe, it might help me a little more, you know, get where I need to be. But anyway, sad day. Okay. 3,439 miles. And go ahead and disconnect it, delete. Yeah, I'm gonna miss it. It just feels, I mean, don't get me wrong, I love the M3. And I decided to keep the M3. But when I sit in this, I sit in the cockpit of this thing, and it just feels, special. It feels unique. But just wasn't a good time. Every time I had the opportunity to drive it, especially we were in California, it was different. It kept wanting to rain. Every weekend I was like, all right, got a free weekend, I planned this rain. And it never rains. It rained as late as May. It's never done this in the Bay Area. I don't get it, but oh well, another time. Because, you know, they say you drive a Corvette in the rain and it's totaled. And I definitely want to cause anything resale value to say, hey, look, I drove it in the rain, so we're going to take some up the value. But no, it's not about that. But, you know, it's not enjoyable, at least for me. Some people might say, oh, it's daily to drive it all year round. Yeah, it is. But when I like to drive this car, I like to have the windows down, like the music down, you know, windows down, music on, you know, not be driving in the rain and the wipers and trying to worry about it, the cars and traffic, people sliding around. To me, that's not enjoyable. But you know, to each your own, how you want to treat your car. I'm not going to judge people who drive these cars in all weather. I'm not going to judge people who would like to keep them more pristine and just, you know, occasional weekend cold start video.
Oh man.
Yeah, sorry. Last cold start before this. Sorry, I didn't get you in the video. something else coming to the channel. Let's see what's out here. Hear a lot of stuff going inside here.